Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to compare two Toyota Supras Mark 4. We have the LCD and we have the one from Solido. Can you guess which one is which? We have a 45 euro model versus a 250 euro model. So I'll show it to you. This is the Solido version and this one is the LCD model. A lot of features on this model, not that many features, but putting them side by side, I think the difference doesn't show. So let's start with the Solido, which is a new release. I'll move this one a bit back. The headlights look pretty good, almost the same as the LCD model. We have the turning signal, we have the Supra license plate, and above it some Japanese writing. Also we have the Toyota logo there as well. No perforated grills, but seems to look pretty good. We have the wheels, again looking very good, especially with the tires having tire writings on them, so definitely bonus for the Solido. The stoplights look again very nicely, especially for a budget model. We have Supra written there, we have the Toyota logo there as well, and of course the Japanese license plate, and we have this huge wing in the back. Underneath the model, not that many details. We have the exhaust and some details here around the back axle. Of course, being a Solido, we only have opening doors, so let me see if I can open them. I just got the model, I haven't tried it, so there we go. Let me see if I can do the magic on this side as well. Let me see there we go. So the interior looks decent, especially for this price point. Let me zoom in. Let me go to the driver's side. Everything looks pretty good, a lot of details, especially on the dash, also on the center console. I think it looks pretty nice. Now let me show you the LCD model. What 250 euros, if you're lucky, gets you. Oh, one more detail. We even have Supra written on there on the seat, which is very nice. Let's try this one. First of all, it's a much heavier model. We have full openings, so bonnet doors and trunk as well. In the front, the headlights look pretty good, better than the Solido, of course. Even the Toyota logo looks better. A lot more details down here on these vents. We have the intercooler as well. On the side, I have to say the tires are almost identical. So we have tire writing on this model. We have different wheels on the LCD model. Let me put this one, as you can see. But both look pretty good, with a plus for the LCD, of course. We have the stop lights again looking very nice. We have the license plate with Supra. Also we have the badge here and the Toyota badge there. The wing, it's bigger on the Solido version, but this looks pretty good as well. Both of them have the wiper on the back as well. Let me show you underneath the model. Much more details underneath the model. As you can see, we have the exhaust, we have a lot of details here at the back, and also we have two more features. You can see we have this lip that you can move. There we go. And also, let me see how can I manage this without dropping the model. You can remove this part, which is very nice and has two magnets. There we go. Oh, I hope I don't break anything. Let's open the bonnet. There we go. On the LCD model, we even have this part to hold the bonnet up. I think it's a bit fragile, as you can see, bent already. but the engine looks stunning. I think this is the 2JZ, if I'm not mistaken, but has a lot of details, as you can see, a lot of stickers, a lot of painted parts. I think it looks amazing, as it should, for 250 euros. Let me open the trunk as well. You have to be a bit careful. There we go. Of course, carpeted trunk. We have the struts there. Everything looks pretty good. I like the LCD models. There we go. And now let's open the doors. Let me see if I can open them. There we go. Of course, this is a Japanese version, so the steering wheel is on the other side, but everything looks pretty good. A lot of details, miles away from the Solido version. There we go. I have to say, the dash on the Solido, I think it looks better than this one. Don't judge me, but I like the details on the Solido version, especially for the price point. There we go. Two other things. The LCD model, let me put them there, comes with this lift. Let me zoom out. There we go. This lift, which holds the model. These parts, the ramps are metallic. These ones are plastic, and they jiggle a bit, so it barely holds the model. But I think it's a nice feature. And also, another quirky thing about the LCD are these things, the screwdrivers. They come in color with the body, in the same color with the body. For this example, we have the LCD Supra in black, so it comes in black. If it's another color, it comes with the body color of the model, which is a very nice feature. Just, I don't know if just for me, but it shows the attention to details. Tell me in the comments, would you pay 5 times more for the LCD version, or just get the new released Solido version? I'm torn. If I'm 50-50. If you want the best quality and you are a Supra fan, I'll go for the LCD. No thinking about it. But if you just want to have the Supra in your collection, I think the Solido looks amazing for its price point. Tell me your opinion in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.